Understanding Dividends, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: dividends. Whether you're a business enthusiast, an investor, or just curious about financial terms, this video is for you. We are going to break down what dividends mean, how they work, and show you how to use this term in sentences. So, let's get started. Dividends are payments made by a corporation to its shareholders, usually in the form of cash or additional shares. They represent a portion of the company's profits that is distributed among the people who own a piece of the company through stocks. Companies pay dividends as a way of sharing their success with investors and encouraging long-term investment. To understand dividends, you need to know a few key points. 1. Not all companies pay dividends. Usually, well-established and financially stable companies offer dividends, while newer or less stable companies might not. 2. Dividends are paid per share. If you own 10 shares in a company that pays $1 dividend per share, you would receive $10 in total. 3. Dividends have a payment schedule. Companies might pay dividends quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. 4. Dividend yield. This is a financial ratio that shows how much a company pays out in dividends each year relative to its stock price. A higher dividend yield can be attractive to investors looking for income. Now, let's see how to use dividends in sentences. 1. The company declared a dividend of 50 cents per share. 2. Investors were pleased with the high dividend yield of the stock. 3. Reinvesting dividends can lead to compound growth over time. 4. Some people prefer stocks with dividends for steady income. Notice that dividends can be used to talk about the payment itself, the yield, or as part of investment strategies. And that's a wrap on dividends. We hope this video has helped clarify what dividends are, how they work, and how you can talk about them in English. Remember, understanding such financial terms is not just good for your investment knowledge but also enriches your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning content. See you in the next video.